Hey guys, so welcome back. In this video, we'll be trying to solve the problem Unnatural Language Processing on Codeforces. Okay, so I'll just be giving a basic summary of this. Now you will be given a string of both consonants and vowels. Okay, now every time you encounter the combination CV, which is consonant followed by a vowel, you should add a full stop after it. Okay, either this or CVC, which is consonant vowel consonant. Okay, you're supposed to add a full stop after it. So if you see the example here, you have BA, which is a consonant and a vowel. So in the output you have a full stop after that, right? Then after that we have consonant, vowel, consonant. You have full stop after that, and so on. So now let's see as to how we can solve this. So now the first thing we need to do is that, let's say we have something like B, A, C, E. Okay, say for example we have B, A, C, E. Now the first thing is we'll make a new string with the vowel consonant representation of this. Okay, now if you see here, B is a B is a consonant, right? So we'll add C to our new string. A is a vowel, we'll add V. C is a consonant, we will add C. E is a vowel, we will add V. Okay, now remember the only two combinations which are possible are CV or CVC, right? Now if you guys think about taking CVC first, that's actually incorrect. Now why is that? Now CVC is right, but if you put a full stop after CVC, you only have a V left, and V is not a valid combination, right? So instead what you should do is we should take CV and CV, right? Like you should take the first CV, put a dot, and then you again have CV. Now this is a valid combination. Now you guys may ask me as to how we are supposed to know if we should take CV or CVC. Now the best way to figure this out is to go from back to front. Okay, now you have to start from the back. Okay, when you start from the back, you have V. Okay, after V you have C. So you put a full stop over here. Okay, and then you have CV, and this is your right combination. Okay, in the back when you have V and you have a C after that, you put a full stop because you see CV is a combination. However, say for example you have something like CV, CVC, right? Here you have C, then you have V, then you again have C, right? You have C, you have V, and you have C. You put a full stop after that. Then again you have V and you have a C. Now this is also a valid combination, right? So the confusion about whether to put a full stop like after CV or CVC can be solved by beginning at the end and moving to the starting. Okay, so now that's basically it. Now let's see as to how we can code the solution out. Okay, so let's start. I'll just be including bit/std c++.h, then using namespace std. Now int main. Now the first thing is we'll be having an integer a for the total number of cases, and we'll make a while loop for that, while a. All right. Now instead of this, we'll be accepting b. Now b will be the length of our string. Okay. Now I'll just be putting long for each because the input sizes can actually be big. So long int b, I'll be accepting the length of the string, right? After that, we have to accept the string itself. I'll be giving string s, and we'll be doing c in s. Now after this, remember we have to like mention the different consonants and vowels inside the string, right, into another string. So we'll name the second string r. Okay, so what we'll do is for long int I equal to 0, I less than b, I plus plus, right? Now over here the only vowels which can occur are A and E. Okay, so you'll do if S of I is equal to A, or S of I is equal to E. What we can do is R plus equal to V, which means it's a vowel. Otherwise we can just do R plus equals C, right? And that is basically it. Now we have to start from the end and go to the beginning. So for long int I equal to b minus 1, right? I more than equal to 0 and I minus minus. Now inside of this right? Instead of this, we have to first check as to if the length of I is more than 3 or not. Now, the reason we are checking this is like we have the combination, right? CVC. Now, here the length should be more than 3 because if it's less than 3, there is no possibility for CVC existing and we'll also have an error, right? So, if I is more than 3 and R of I is equal to C. I'll just be copy pasting this a few times so it's easier, right? And R of I plus 1 should be equal to V, right? And R of I plus 2, I minus 2. Okay, this will be I minus 1 because you're going back to front, right? So if it is so, what we can do is we have to insert in a full stop, right? So at I minus 2, we'll be inserting a full stop. Now after this, we have to move the I pointer 2 steps back. So it comes to the alphabet after the inserted full stop. Okay, so then the loop will just start from there. Now I'll do the same thing for the CV combination. For the CV combination, I should be more than 2, right? And over here, we'll have, this is right. I should be V and I minus 1 will be C because remember, we are going back to front, right? And we'll be inserting it I minus 1 and we'll put I as I minus 1 as well. Okay, now after all this, I'll just do C out S, right? And that should be it. Okay, so I think in the heading, name space, right? 1 second. Yeah, or here should be name space std, right? Let's submit. And there you go. That's how you solve this problem. If you have any doubts, to leave them in the comment section down below. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.